Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I'm here sharing one of my favorite subscription boxes. I've got the Allure beauty box right here. And so let's just open it up and see what's in here. All right. Okay, thanks friends for being here. I appreciate your support. If you want to support my channel, you can do so by hitting the subscribe, the like button, leave me a comment. All those things are appreciated so much, so thank you for that. And so let's open this up, and it has a card in here that says Happy Mother's Day, and let's see what it says. To all the incredible women and moms in our community, thank you for being part of our beauty family. We're excited to continue bringing you the best beauty products and making your routine even brighter. So just that little card. And then let's get in here. I'm going to start with my favorite product, and it also was the choice pick for the month. And I'm looking, oh, I have it in my hand. I'm looking for it and I have it in my hand. Anyway, this was, they let us choose the color. So every month, Allure Beauty Box, first of all, the price just went up to $29, but you can get $10 off your first box. For members, that's only for new members. For existing members, they kept the box at the same price that they were paying. I usually get an annual subscription, which I just pay for it for the year, and so I get quite a bit of discount. I think I end up paying like $19 a box. The boxes, the one product is worth well more than even the cost of the box. So this box is very worth it. You get anywhere from 5 to 7 items usually, and you get at least 2 or 3 full-size items. So anyway, that's it kind of about the Allure Beauty Box. I love this box. They're mostly skincare, which I don't mind, because you get high-end products that you can try, or at least good enough full sizes or good enough sizes that they're worth using. So anyway, they have been doing 1 or 2 makeup products lately in each box, which I kind of like. And they've also been doing a choice each month, so you can choose between colors or type of product. So anyway, this one is from Fenty Beauty, one of my favorite items right now. I actually have this item. So when I picked a color, I went kind of dark because I already have one and I wanted to get something different. And the other colors were kind of too peachy or warm for me. So I went ahead with the darker color. And this is, let's see what color this is. This is called Summertime Wine right there. That's what the box looks like. And here's the blush. I love it. It's kind of in this kite-shaped thing, and I've been using this every day. I have it on now, but not this color. I've been using a lighter color. This color is quite dark. But that's okay. It ends up being kind of, I think it's going to be a little bit more kind of rosy red, but there it is on my hand. It's actually very pretty. I don't know what it is about the formula of this blush, but it's just great. It's all so great. Usually when I put it on, it's super powerful to where I think I need to wipe it off or whatever, but it does kind of soak down to the perfect color. So I usually just let it be kind of wild at first, and then it will tone down. So anyway, I'm excited to try this one now. I'm liking that color. I just think that color is beautiful. So anyway, excited for that. This is valued at $28, so it's full size. So already I've more than paid for my box, so I'm excited about that. So the next item we have in here is from another great brand, and this is from Haas Lab. This is the Lady Gaga. It's the PhD Hybrid Lip Glaze in Guava. So that's what it looks like. And I believe this is a full size too, and this is valued at $26. It talks about it's some glosses are goopy or are too glossy, lip glosses. And then there's this one. They say this one is perfection. So it says you don't have to be precious about this formula because it's sheer and forgiving. Smooth it on with the doe foot applicator and you're good to go. So let me see. I guess it's sheer. I'm not sure if I want to put it on. Okay, it does have color, which is pretty, but it's definitely not goopy or anything. It's right here. It's kind of similar to the blush, but anyway, there we go. It's actually a perfect color for a good lip gloss. I don't really want to put it on, but maybe I will. I just put a little bit on. So anyway, there's that, number 2. So I love both these brands, so I'm kind of happy to see that in the first couple items. The next item we got is another brand I love, which is Elemis. And this is the Peptide Pumping Pillow Facial. So this is, hold on, let's try one here. There we go. This is... it's not a full size, but it's, I think, maybe a third of the size. So it's not a bad size. But anyway, what this is you put it on at night and you just put it on your skin, and then in the morning you just wipe it up, clean your face with water or whatever. So they also say it dries to your face. It doesn't get on your pillow. It's not, it stays, on your face. And so I'm definitely going to try it. So we'll see if I notice a difference with it, but I'm excited about that product too. So anyway, now we've got the 4th product, and it is a hair product. They do a lot of variety in this box, which I like, as far as, they're starting to do more variety with a little bit of makeup and hair care. Now this is, I haven't tried this one. I have tried Wow products, but this is the Root Thicken and Lift Spray. So by Wow, and it's just, you just spray it on where you want to get volume in your hair. So usually for me, it's right up here. But anyway, so I'm excited to have that. It's a product I will use. So there we go. There's that. And so for our 4th item, we got from Aceology, and I do really like this product. This is a Passion Fruit Refining Lip Scrub. So there we go. And it just says it's got enough, it's got sugar granules that are gritty enough to slough off dead skin. Okay, it's closed. I don't want to open that, so I'm not going to try it. But it gently buffs chapped lips to help create a smooth, even canvas for your lipstick. And it smells amazing. Sweet like passion fruit, where it's at. So anyway, you just put a little bit on your lips and massage it in, scrub it, and then for about 30 seconds, and then you rinse it away and put on your lip product. So anyway, like that. I don't have a lot of lip scrubs right now, so I'm happy to see that. And so the next couple items are more like smaller samples we have here. But this is, this one here is from Barbour, and it says ample concentrate, see right there, and they had 3 different kinds. I got the one that's the Perfect Glow. They also had, and I'm happy with this one. I am happy. The other one was Collagen Firming, which is probably something I should use. And then they have Hydration Plus for those with dry skin. So anyway, it says why you'll love it. It says the science nerd in us loves the ampules look and ingredient breakdown. You're getting one of the 3, and each treats skin to a thoughtful ingredient like skin brightening lactic acid, smoothing peptides, or moisturizing sunflower seed oil. So anyway, you just snap, there's a thing on here. It says you snap the ampoule open at the lower colored ring. I don't know how that works exactly. But smooth its contents onto clean skin and follow with a moisturizer. So like I said, this is just a very, very small sample, but it's an interesting product. So I will use this, what we have here. So anyway, there's that, and that is a pricey product. Let me see what the value of that one is. I believe it's, let's see, they're all different prices. So it is $50, $45, or $35 for 14 milliliters. And so to 14 milliliters, this is 2 milliliters. So it's just a small sample. So anyway, and then the last thing they have in the box is, this is Evo NYC. I have seen this, but I've never tried it. It's just a shampoo and conditioner sample. So there's a pretty good amount in there. For me, it would be maybe 3 washes. So I think it's anyway, it's something I'll try or take on vacation or something. But anyway, I never turn down a shampoo or conditioner. So I like to use different kinds when I rotate different ones in the shower. But anyway, so that's it. Here's the covers, our Pretty Allure Girl of the Month. And I guess that's it. Okay, they had a advertising for Factor Meals. Okay, so to sum this up, here we got, we have the Fenty Beauty blush, and I actually have it out of the box, so there's that. And we got the Haas Labs Lady Gaga, the lip gloss. So I'm excited about that. And we got the Elemis nighttime pillow facial. So there's that. And we got the Wow texturizing spray, so for your hair. Love that. Pretty decent size there. And we got the Aceology lip scrub, which sounds really great. So I'm excited about that. And we got the ampoule, the small sample of the ampoule. I got the Perfect Glow. And we got a sample of shampoo and conditioner, the Evo NYC. So anyway, there's that. So that's it for our Allure Beauty Box right there. Let me know what you think in the comments. I appreciate that. Do you get Allure Box? Do you like the Allure Box? I'm telling you, it's one I probably will have a really hard time ever getting rid of, just because this box always has a great value to it, and you get some really good products, some high-end products and stuff that you can either sample or use. So anyway, that's it. That's it for today. So I appreciate you guys being here. I appreciate your support. And so thank you. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.